Fortunately, you can't see them. Sinkholes are pretty cool. Anthony Dommel joins us now for a quick check of our forecast. Anthony, things are certainly warming up. We're seeing some ice melting out there here where we are.
Definitely, yes. We've seen some 50s the last couple days and even a couple 60s. Yesterday and today in Kalamazoo. Officially got to 60 yesterday, officially got to 60 today in Kalamazoo. Interestingly enough, though, just that 50-minute drive or thereabouts from Kalamazoo to GR dropped you down 10 degrees. Our maximum temperature today was 50 very late in the afternoon and early evening in Grand Rapids. Certainly we will hit 60 tomorrow. It's just a matter of how many degrees above 60 we will be going. It is mostly clear to partly cloudy at this point. Had a number of hours, as you know. I would say from about 1 o'clock this afternoon right on through a sundown, which was at 7:49 today, of not a cloud out there on the horizon. We do have a few at this point, but nothing that will be surprising us with any rain or snow overnight. South winds around 3 miles per hour. So virtually non-existent is the wind field around West Michigan, and it will stay light overnight but pick up the pace a bit as we shuttle in these much milder temperatures for tomorrow. I talked about a 60-degree reading in Kalamazoo. How about 60 in Three Rivers and Coldwater as well? What's going on here, though, in Ionia at 42? Well, you hung on to a lot of these low-level clouds that were overhead in GR this morning right on into the afternoon, so that kept you down, and you're wondering what we're talking about with all this mild, with all these mild conditions today. If you live out in Ionia County or Montcalm, northward into Mecosta County, it was sort of like winter for you, but the rest of us getting improvement with the sunshine blasting out for the afternoon. And we'll have a fair amount of sunshine as well tomorrow. Some passing clouds in the mix from start to finish, but it should be pretty bright. And these south-southwest winds at around 15 miles per hour, gusting to 25 or so, will guide in the, well, I was going to say warmest temperatures of 2022. I've been saying it. I think it's fair to say overall the scope of tomorrow will be warmer than that Saturday a couple weeks ago when we got to 64 in Grand Rapids, because it took until late in the afternoon to surge to that point. I think the cumulative effect of tomorrow is going to be the warmest day that we have seen thus far this year. It is chilly, though, going out there at the current time, upper 30s for the majority of us, even some mid-30s over toward the lakeshore, 29 showing up on the board. So there will be some locations overnight tonight dropping into the mid to upper 20s with these very still winds and mostly clear skies. Get decent radiational cooling. You've still got the potential to drop off nicely in an overnight. We've still got a lot of hours of darkness. It's just that the pattern once you get into mid to late March is more susceptible to bringing in afternoon warmth, and that's what we've had the last couple of days to some degree, and we'll get that going even more so for tomorrow. Winds nothing to speak of. The high temperature trend over the next 7 days, there's that 63 tomorrow, and there is some potential to go even higher than that. Even in Grand Rapids, there's some potential that somebody down to the south nearer the Indiana line could actually strike that 70-degree marker. That would be the exception and not the rule, but it is conceivable. St. Patrick's Day Thursday at 59 I've got. Then a system passing to our south, bringing in more clouds, and even a few scattered showers Friday and early Saturday relegates us to the 40s, but rebounding pretty quickly. Tell you right now, Sunday should be a virtually cloudless day. That'll be the nicer of the two weekend days, and very nice in the mid-50s. We go to the low 60s again by Monday. Here's our modeling, the graph model. Late overnight, you'll notice that some of these clouds do start to come back in, but it won't be a firm overcast, just kind of some of these lower level clouds will be scattered about, stratocumulus clouds. Any green color on the model, that is just overmodulation. The model detecting maybe a sprinkle or a shower, but that's false activity. Sometimes mid-level moisture in the form of clouds gets detected as a potential for a shower, but that is false. I assure you tomorrow will be dry. Cold front or wind shift line does approach on Thursday. That brings about a slight chance for a shower in the afternoon. I would not be too concerned, though, if you're headed out for St. Patrick's Day. The majority of that time will be dry. Just some additional clouds. Still perhaps some breaks for sun at times, but certainly more clouds Thursday versus what we'll have tomorrow. And then I think an overcast, unfortunately, Josh, on Friday with some scattered showers. May linger one into early Saturday, but by the afternoon, as it goes along at least, breaks for sun. And then there's that nice stretch of weather returning, along with spring coming in, by the way, astronomical spring, 11:33 in the morning on Sunday. Temps on the rise, lower 60s by Monday.
All right, Anthony, thank you. For many Americans,